Hi guys, welcome to another base interviews. Now, in the me interview, very interesting. Yeah, me wo Adonai. Odi akasa ye.
Me di akasa di Lucifer. Ana ope
dia ya wo na
Frimpong
de.
Frimpong
Emmanuel Frimpong.
Yeah.
But ye fro Lucifer.
Aye, me di pa di Lucifer.
And no why na de to.
Lucifer no ye me demon name.
Demon name.
Yeah.
Okay. Until we are occult.
Yeah, me can say me occult and magic practitioner.
Magic.
Yeah.
Okay, before answer na beba no so no yen kasa about wabrabo he na wo.
Yeah, wo me wo Seshi, Krobi wo your friend of Seshi Suano.
Okay.
Yeah, ho na wo me.
Wunyi ni say na yeti.
Okay, me occult life no me started from ya wo me na.
Ya wo no.
Yeah. Now then time no ye kasa ofre saint.
Ya wo wa we akola takataka no.
Say obi o ha ye wo no with a gift. Me medium na spirituality. But they make an out here.
Ya wo no. Na wo gift no. Say akola de onim bibia.
Yeah, but something I'm gonna say through time ya obe discover. One kasa no be discover we say
nti wunyi ni na wonhu so wo sa gift no. Yeah. Gift be wonhu sunsun mu ni ama na.
Yeah, me de no na ye me ne honhom bebre na nante.
Okay.
Honhom bebre na nante.
Okay.
To
wunyi ni na omo ka ho.
Yeah.
Nhu omo.
Yeah, me hu omo.
Oni omo kasa.
Yeah. Me no omo kasa.
Okay.
Lucifer me ne kasa.
Lucifer ya brunsam ya oni ne kasa.
Me ne kasa.
Okay, ebe me so. Ya wo to na na ya chro that say wo be your occult.
Okay, yeah, but when say obi hye nkoma omo hu say wo be ye honhom adwuma.
Okay.
Yeah, but eya no mo hu the particular way honhom adwuma no the fact say comfort malam what you say. Me teacher ni ba kokoro we to your friend teacher Sally.
Okay.
Ono no ono so ye magic practitioner. Then time na yesi me go school o say me nko obehwe me saa na ka kire ba me say akola go be yesofo.
Tana o teacher ne ka
ja man. Yeah. Ka is akola go be yesofo. Nti say teacher no wait to. Ufi omo ho na okoye ho.
Okay.
Yeah, all ho sisi ya.
Nti now parents nim say o saa chede we.
Yeah, na one thing say me way of life no na ene omo de no enko.
O ma me ye djuma be.
Ma omo ye kuafo. Farmers.
One o papa nyina.
Yeah.
Omo kwa sorry.
Omo ko Pentecost. E ho mu na omo wo metoye.
Ya wo to Pentecost.
Yeah. Nti na me ma me mo ntemase say adentina me ye me way of spirituality me different.
Na Pentecost no wo ko obi.
Oh, I won't say me yakola de. Omo de ko because I won't say parental control no.
Ne wo ho. Okay. Nti ne we yakola na wo ko no na say ne fa.
Oh, I saw them more there. Me ko sometimes try home to me farm sorry them.
Oh, I sorry them.
Yeah, na me kasa. Ye wo ens bia eya ye kan. Patwat masi. E no na spirit bia wo na kasa wo de be frɛ no. E na ens no. E na ebi mu kan no tons.
Okay. Modern ye friend ens.
Demonic ens.
Okay. Say to me fa wa sorry them on. E fa o mo ye o den. O mo
chi wo no. Obi wo ha ye bom pa ye si ye bom pa ye ama nipa no ebia ye mahun kronkron. What you say? It can manifest. Now also kasa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mo fa ne say so kronkron na fa o na mo ka ton.
Yeah, me fa we ni example say omo kwa atwa amante no ye say ko bom pa ye age to me. Okoduru a to me bebre wo ho. What you say? But when you obi a wo ye huhu pa wo hu say spirit we na e de wo ye adwuma. Don krofo bebre wo ho a wo nim say spirit we na de o. Until later na obe discover no na wo de ne ho ahye mawi. Eno na bi wo ho ana e ma na de susu so bebre bro no.
Okay.
Okay.
Into we are occult. Occult na no ani Illuminati.
Oh, mama nche mu ho. Occult no ye ka say occult na to me na de Pentecost ye occult, Roman ye occult. Group bi o mo share idea together. They share something together. But what must say? Na me ye de no to bia madu no akoye sorcerer. And as a conjurer. Sorcerer as a conjurer no obi a ofre honhom say the King Solomon be ye no. Solomon free demons makoma 72 including Beelzebub.
King Solomon.
Yeah.
Oh, Bible.
Yes, including Beelzebub ne spirit power no ne nante pa Asmodeus.
Okay.
Asmodeus no demon of lust. Or a chief gambler of hell. What I say? Freemason ya mo kan kura no. O hwe ne origin na Solomon na de buy.
King Solomon.
Yeah.
And the Freemason. David back King Solomon.
Yeah.
Or no the Freemason by.
Yeah. No the Freemason.
Same.
I say Freemason, occult no. You covens, you can say covens are like Freemason, Illuminati, and those things,
Clans,
yeah. They have a particular spirit that they serve.
Okay.
You demon, you demon, particular deity, or more worship. But what I say, and Freemason, your spirit, your friend Jabulon. Jabulon is the same.
Jabulon Bible, yeah.
Yeah, it's the same as Beelzebub, Lord of Lies. And the Solomon,
Lord of Lies.
Lord of Flies.
Okay.
And Moab is an ant.
Okay.
And the Solomon, Moses, Okoyi Israel for film museum. Spirit anon any year Juma Pie Beelzebub.
Okay.
On say almost Okudu Newam na Eja Edaro. Beelzebub so say fire the element in you ja.
The Bible ni mu no e che say Nyankopon na eba sa bush na na.
Yeah, on say Bible no you we no yi bebre afri. Eye ade a demonic then na ye dey omudi ye adwuma tete to hwe Bible kan Bible no cross say obi kofo obi won fichire obi kofo obi won nwura ma ye nkum aboa ne ho ni bone what am I say
the Bible no na demonic.
Yeah. But mere ko na mo sesa no mo yi bi free because the more na nipa no person nipa bebre follow no I was say wo ya ade nipa ho ani beje ho. But what am I say it in your religion and magic. Religion goes with faith. Magic is dangerous practice.
Okay. Okay. Titi no na Bible na titi osom no na.
Ye nti a meka say titi no Bible no ene say omo a me hu ni say omo abo mu din o Bible mu titi no omo nyina na omo ye nsusun frefo.
No mo fret spirit.
Exactly. Like Solomon and David. Omo dem say David so Solomon obi kura ko wo boso fie. But what am I say? Wo hwe Bible mu kura Solomon nyom Sam. Utumi de fra honhom. Utumi de fra demons. E ma ne ba.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. To when we are called to unye Illuminati.
Oh yeah, Illuminati dey obi ka say Illuminati ya. Illuminati ye elite group. Men kan say ya brofo no me bo a.
Omo esua dey akọ echi no.
Ana omo ye advance. Because your more influential peoples.
Okay.
But what Illuminati? Yeah, influential peoples. Obi are very influential, like politicians and top musicians. Yeah.
Okay. Omo form Illuminati.
Yeah, sometimes the crowd obi a businessman on journey.
Very, very influential.
Exactly.
People. Okay.
Exactly.
So when we are occult.
Yeah.
Now occultism there, any anything.
I'm say occultism say ekuo na mo share bibi together.
More bibi in common.
Yeah.
And one occultism.
Yeah, but when say come magic na e ho na normal wo.
Nyoma bi sese.
Because Freemason for magic. Illuminati for magic. Rituals.
Okay.
Yeah, rituals.
Okay. So we magic.
Yeah.
Utumi ya magic.
Magic no ye wo magic omuye obi e de atono so person ye magic bia o twa na tekrema yes microphone wo.
Twa na tekrema.
Ah, omo ye amamade.
Okay.
What am I say? Na ye wo magic, occult magic, rituals magic. We me can say ritual magic.
Okay.
Ritual magic ni say ye wo akade bi wo how de ukan we abom na wo de aye bibi na bibi asi e wo nipa brabo.
Okay.
What you wanna say?
Okay.
Ana ye obi wo so no wonya bibi ma ni si obi abrabom ni de ne say okwa okosua awamade nko ade wo so ma na atene. What am I say? Sankrofo no so wo.
Okay. So no we
family. Me de ritual magic.
Ritual magic.
Yeah, evocation.
Utumi ma ni amasi.
Yetumi esesa event. Say bia me fan say yetumi asoma agrada. No, agrada.
Okay.
You betumi ama ubetumi a ritual any demons akasa na bia fan say nsuo ato.
Sir.
Yeah, ana ye wo eno bebre a ubetumi aye. Ana magic na kasa no magic we do to better our life.
Mo ankasa mababo.
Yes, and those seeking spiritual help.
Okay.
What am I say? What I say?
Me to say. Ti mo de boa.
Yeah.
Mo ho ene.
Enti na ye ka say occult for whisker no. What am I say? Enti your asofo bi mu I don't want to mention them, but your asofo bi wa almost ye magic practitioners. invocations or you can say conjurers omo fra honhom bebre
asofo
yeah
Ghana asofo ya yeni momu ya
not only Ghanaians
baby
yeah
okay
yeah
okay omo kanya mesem de nso omo
oh yeah no dey say aniso
eniso
say omo aye won krofo bi ho they are not enlightened in spirituality and I say in spiritualism but what am say obi ho spiritualism no oni bibia fa ho enti say o ka bibi ketekete kra na atona so
okay
but what am say aha enti eba eno na e religion e baaye say de be ya obenya edom adi nachi na omo aye followers
into religion ne dey obi ka bibi ma do wenya dom mana carnage eno ana
religion is about for bibi a ye quarantine what am say ye show say ade we menye but akwa bi mitna bodin akwa bi ye friend Avram Demoshe on say common sense family be a free thinker what am say no religious belief and no religious bandage enti say me hu ni say said you me ya dwaman na me de benye sika it is good for me what am say and say obi be preaching say adwaman mo be say wa brabo because me no me ye say wo be ye magical wo ye nyankopon because you are three god like power three god like power number 1 divination ye say obe hunu daachi de atwam de wom become all knowing
okay
and your friend divination and your evocation ye getting anything that you want or you need at any time at any moment what am I say and your soul travel and say me no what hey na misusum no ko
o cry to cry
yeah obetumi akoba bi opebia aba ye course spiritual workshop ko hyehyia
desire me we na utumi
oh yeah
ti we ye nyankopon
me ye nyankopon ma me ho
okay
and I'm a leader let me say I'm a leader and a god a living god
you are a living god
yeah
hey okay nti yento aso
right.
Occultism a day what does it take for somebody to become obiara to me occult na
oh yeah but sometimes it takes a very strong-minded person
okay let's say so obi wo ha wenya achede te se na wo ye wo na wo achede ne dada ba o person obey occult
entina ye wo me start am say magic practitioner practice started from beginning
to obiara to me esua
yeah on say obi wo ha onye doctor okosua sa na wa be doctor what you say you microphone so wa native doctors obi bibi atwa no hu say haban we ote ode haban we e be kan na e be de ekuru no be ko ntina me wo 5 type of magic say metumi akade ya metumi de ni na atodwa number 1 sigil magic number 2 blood magic blood magic number 3 sex magic sex magic and herbal magic and candle magic. These are the 5 type of magic yes 5 type of magic we more herbal magic no more herbalist oni mahaban we ni mahaba oti aban we ti aban we obi kura to me ko ti aban boni pa dingo so de tujam na ahye no oh yeah herbal magic ya wa ahba bi friend Baileys o twere de dawa ko aso to so na ahmachi a o ka sa obi ahun o hye no green candle ma de o twere to so no bia within 3 days e baba mu
obi abetumi ayesa de so onya ahaban we
yeah
na wo twere obi a wo ha no ndi guso
eno ye enye for on say dangerous practice in there say okoye obi boni de me e am fan to jasa we will make Baileys for success prosperity in your life but what am I say sometimes no o chiro obi ade a enchira na ade odi bedi boni exactly
okay nti etumi di boni na etumi so time to me papa
yeah etumi ye papa
nti se me pesika etumi akofa sa Baileys
yeah
na matro amount eguso
yeah
na mafa green candle na mahye sika no beba efihi
sika no metumi atra aka nokore akire obia ohwe yense ritual money no I was say yet as I say it's not about sika beba be pie fi wudem obeso na sika bag ma esi wudem obeso na bia watch adane and I say ring na adane na fi sika ma but what you say so when spirit na ma entini e ka say diamond knowledge the spirit of knowledge. What am I saying? Until Lucifer say we enlightenment, the light bringer. What am I saying? One in nama or chira be a obe ya ebe mu sika. Enti ohwe say bia wo no wo life no wo de fa bi say ya ebe boa. Wo ye pe na abe wa begidi na enam so na onya sika.
Okay.
Eye hidden knowledge.
Okay. Nti enya say wo die wo sorry na wo pilo ase aye sika ma bebre.
Yes. Sa no ma no dey say nipa te ho na see.
Okay. But obwa o ma wo ye niema bi I this kabeba.
Yes. Now before now spirit demon bi abeboa no eye part making. Christopher can say selling your soul to that particular spirit.
Okay.
Wo ton wo kra ma demon no. Ye men can say wo ton wo kra ma no eye selling your soul. Making a part, but a Christopher friend selling your soul.
Okay.
A part no is agreement between two parties. But what am I saying? And to one demon no, one na nante bia Lucifer, me na obe nante. Me fan say me spiritual work. Adwuma ben na de na nipa ba no ho a metumi de agu kwan so aboa nipa na e betumi ma de ohwehwe no ne nsa aba aka.
Onipa na ehwehwe na say Lucifer.
De nipa no hwehwe no ne nsa aka. Enti ho no na ebeba exchange of de wo be offer no.
Ti den na wo offer.
Oh, sometimes it be a wine. It's expensive wine.
Lucifer wa no nsa.
Oh yeah. Say on say na nanu mugu nsa. Porn libation. What am I saying? Sometimes when there is a celebration for a festival, yeah, na nsamafo nu and you could see so mundidi.
Okay.
One say, I never come a say, ni party as you say, occultism, demons na, yesum, occult for no, as occultist for no, as some no, Ghana ni now had that. Like Belial. Belial, no, he is a dangerous demon. Only assassin yanamsu. Spirit of the earth, the earthly spirit. You need assassin ya Ghana. If so, assassin you need Ghana. What am I saying? Satan. Satan, the fire spirit. Oja. But what am I saying? Obi to me small Oja now akos BBS like fraud and fire they see o Accra here, you know. Last verse 2 saying cry. Fraud and fire, I don't say sweet be na.
Obi na smile.
To me see sometimes a sacrifice. What am I saying? Obi nipa no rituals. Sacrifice obey. It to me must be beside there. Isi.
Say
Oh, ritual there. Me to me try and say. On say in this world, you know, there is there is positive side and negative side. Entina obi esha okotumu ne na wanya no because ebia normal oye no o man bibia. What am I saying? And I want to know what you know a gradual process. Into one you have more life.
Okay.
Into demon crown no koya pam obi o horse me permit dey say bia a month a year me nyesika within a year. Nyesika within this month. What am I saying? E betumi aba mama wo. But one kasa na o etiri obi wo ho be give me short time hu ni bi no.
Okay.
What am I saying?
O wu no na che say when to me am fulfill it.
No, selling you agreement or next spirit no
okay. Inti omo call say oye popular.
Yeah. And beginning no who say oye popular we abeko. What the organ say ebia me pese. What am I saying?
Popular.
Yes. And obeka say me pen this ebia within a year pe and I say ebia within a month.
Me popular.
Yeah.
But wouldn't say after popular no be.
Yes. Young crofobia ha almost started from beginning kakra but for now or enjoy. And after that no o serve demon I only be ya pam say Lucifer na me no me no aya pam no me ye dia.
Okay, nti mo ya pam ni wi a me ono pe no na o do be.
Yes.
To o ka sende obekun a obekun.
Yeah, but kunu de spiritual obi o ya spiritualist bia no. Se unya be dedicated so my spirit is a wood here. Yeah. Because one unim dear okwa then time ka say we living God me say unim dear okwa.
Okay. I see. So we Lucifer and I was some Lucifer.
Me ye Lucifer kasa. Yes Christo oba no. Me kire ma de bi e na me pese me reference na motemas ye.
Sure.
Yes Christo oba say me ne no kore ne han no. Obi bia nko agya ne nkyagile on am so. What am I saying?
To know what to say Jesus Christ.
In Africa there sana me kana.
Okay.
what you say because obi betumi aka say me Lucifer they make kan what you say obi a we occult priest e wo Ghana na enye sebi na fun e na odinam
okay
what you say na enye na fun odinam o ye rare occult practitioner magic practitioner ohumi a onimi
ohun onimu
yeah
and bibi wo ohun a che say we
oh yeah your mark of the beast
ewe
mark of the beast no
adentia ohun
yeah say the astral realm
nti wo pie ehun a onu wo behun
yes
before
oh yeah
I see okay nti we Lucifer ohun no de bia
Lucifer is a young guy like me
or your bema
yeah he's a young guy like me like nini e your tiwi
Lucifer your bema
young guy onyini da
or your kokwa na
Lucifer obika say Lucifer ye broni ana say no otumi manifest in any form
okay
otumi manifest there on say me friend na first time my friend no me manifest
that was when
actually me fan say be 2 years because on say not me the kind
who did 2 years
2 years no 2 years
2 years ago
yeah 2 years ago
and then first time our friend
me friend Lucifer kasa yeah
okay
me started okot na me friend ahom bebre but na me nyan nuru sa
tell my menti say Lucifer ya okay Lucifer ya no ye nyankopon angel no ono wasa na wo Lucifer meaning Lucifer
ye nyankopon angel a me wo to your believe no na ye nyankopon or ye wo nyankopon angel because nipa no dey believe no or religion ne buy no or create say Lucifer be ba be ye what you say
sa nyankopon
oh so mo kan no say Lucifer or ye the love or ye angel na nyankopon penasem
na no ho fe
yeah because he's the morning star awia ya pie Lucifer what am I say na ye call planet so or Venus and I say Uranus
okay
what am I say any day pa ye Monday me so ye wo Monday kwajo
Lucifer day ye Monday hey
Monday oh yes
Lucifer day pa ne Monday
there or na ni on say spirit bia wo da week no da entina o ko frem ho na I say wo da
da ye ko baby da ye ko baby
na ne hour enti your numerology ni ye numbers Lucifer numbers number 9 number 9 yeah number 9 is the number of pride that's what I say
so Lucifer we ya homaso
oh yes
what feeling no
oh yeah because
guy
yes because ohun say nyansa ni nyina ye de ekuta no
see
nyansa nyina kuta ohun say we are about race no the race of the sun no link to our brains
okay into Lucifer no
yeah or you very powerful
into eba huhumu nina to your knowledge no what
you were prince of darkness light bringer the bringer of dawn Orpheus dark lord and Lucifer am nyina akoto Lucifer and Satan difference ni
omo the same person
yes but any element no e different element no Lucifer ye mframa any adwen e read from ye nipa ya adwen ye home and na ye read from Lucifer and Satan no ye yakoma no on so obi ona koma ba gidi yeah
eno ne bronsam
yeah ono control yakoma no that is the element no
to bronsam control yakoma and Lucifer control ya adwen ene mframa ni ade
yeah
nti wono Lucifer na wonim
minim Lucifer and minim Satan exactly
Lucifer
yeah
I see nti den no we ma
all right Lucifer ma me nyansa bebre ewi aso no me start ya na me frɛ ahohom no kra na minim bibi sɛ kopesika because obi a me swade what ma say
unim sikam ni waji
yeah but empo a me bie madwen mu minim lecture bi okay K-Poly o say nipa obi a wako school kakra asua ade kakra ko na ni obi a sabi one ko school no there is a difference what ma say sanso na oko school konye nimdie sen not spiritually
who need India
exactly entina occultism no started from universities.
Occultism started from universities.
It started from na ekuaku ahodo spiritual kuaku ahodo are dangerous
University.
Yes.
Ghana ha.
Not only Ghana.
Worldwide.
Yes.
To usually in Kofoko University and or
most yes. How na mo ko dwen
experiencing occultism.
Yeah.
To Ghana universities here or occult groups
bebre not even SS no crane training college ni tertiary ni all the tertiary institutions ni na
occult.
Yeah, sometimes crane obi e bi advanced chancellor say chancellor no wo ho as panino or no crane no e bi no ye leader bi
I see.
Because nothing good comes easy. Nothing good comes
easy. Yeah.
Exactly.
Inti Lucifer no ma nyansa.
Yeah.
Anything.
O ma me nyansa na o ma me nkoso ma brabo. Because no matter the level that life am wo me ho say waboa me. Because me be hu mo a me no ti ha kura no eye anim nkanko. What am I saying? But nipa na ya na ye ntibi no ma be brase. So what am I saying yi pa dia wo beti dia me kanase. But what am I saying? Because one spirit and until now here life now won progress here say ujai. Ye wo bi mu ho mo ya abosomfo wa tena abosom fie no saa. What am I saying? Ye onkrofo bebre koforo bia mo comfort back o tachima mo comfort back o. What am I saying? Mo malams bebre. Omo ba na me upgrade o mo.
Wo chira o mo.
Me upgrade no. To me no won me di bi ka ho ma no. Obi o.
Wo to me matu ni.
Yeah, obi o ho a comfort. What am I saying? To me na kuta no dusa. What am I saying? Enti sanu ye be pagyaw. Ye pagyaw an say ya mawo demon bia wo ye president anase duke anase mogus.
No,
rank and I can say hierarchies of demons anase rank.
Okay. So for ba.
Me I don't want to go there. Me impel Christianity for omo ayinti. Exactly, because omo ye me opponent.
Christianity
my association me obi a we ma tamfo Christianity. Oh yes. Nti me person make am bia for mo. And I who say obi a fake pastor so am penase because you are part of me.
O perfect fake pastor.
Me pe myself.
Because what can him?
O come on.
Say
olidi aduma no ye no.
Christians.
Aduma na oye ya breme. Ya fa ni say coronavirus ba yi. Na ye say Max we shall win a mark of the beast. How many people? A Christopher will preach against the mark of the beast. And for now, how many people now receive mark? You know, young shall you. Me per se ye be nipa dream wo ha.
Be.
Say coronavirus by. And na young fan say mark mask no. So we shall no when your mark when your marker.
Tell me kai na.
And I saw for me ka say onje. So for no dey preach against. And come make us on the. He say e buy no. Na nado say obia nkwaden quarantine. Wo ye so for kura kaden. Ana meboa. And na o say wo kwa story a say no sma hohoro nsa. What am I say? Me na me Lucifer, ma bin be kire me say yade no betumi aka because e ba fresh am woni padua. Enti ye wo measures bi wo say me de to. Eno no ye friend enlightenment.
Nti wo share nose mask.
Oh yeah, me wo bi kwa.
Wo use sanitizer na.
Me use ni na.
Na say you rename to me nkan won e betumi.
Oh yeah, but woni sometimes no you the anidie ma the anidie so ye den. Ese no. Because ye penny wa oka say ye nhye.
Lucifer ka chere mo samon nhye.
Yes, na aye eba wono ewiase nyina no before bibi beba no eba say obi ami so wa o ka ho bi adi so. What am I saying? The next time you benya kwan biem ye be kire sa normal nyina coronavirus. What am I saying? You will be a fan of Astra disease. Yade a huhumu yade.
Coronavirus e huhumu yade.
Oh, bebre. You will Ghana akrobi to me create Astra disease. Abayifo to me create Astra disease.
No me dey mind.
No chairman crofo. Oton aduane wa bonten. But what am I saying? Bayi no adane no. O de okoto onim se okoto aduane adi. Okoto e no ama o yade. Ebi manya fibroid, ebi manya yade bebre.
Ani nti abone bane na yaye.
Oh yes. Say unam ho ntina da bia me nam a. me pe oba no ho me pe say first thing unya bambo unya bambo keke sabi oton kenke makokra obaba bedi because obi unim ye won kro bi wo ho a obenante so no obetua kro no mu obetua to be de wo ho spiritually ye je 1000 cry ye be de wo ho okay enti sa no ma ni nyina to mi eye den e break nipa ana sa akrofo no mu ye adwuma no so no mu ye adwuma ye evil spirit me ye devil me ye devil of my own and I say devil incarnate enti me
devil incarnate and so brunsan bia wewu and a wow rising
exactly.
In your form
exactly
okay
what am I saying you manifest bebre ebi kura to me pie na obonyo obi kura to me pie na oy actor obi kura to me pie na oy politician yeah but yeah ba e start ya nipa no best nante ho sabi rough basa there was a time and nipa nim say my brother I get it to a point until make say magic is dangerous practice me say you are going to invoke the energy of demons na omo ba so mbe tan wadwen and say adwen no munye dua and if you can control yourself sometimes obi da hokra na okay kem what you want na ho na what you say na when ni bi nso a wo hu bibia you have to control yourself onuma bi wo ho a wo yam be no matter who you are yeah if you cry manifestation of demons no say demon no ba who no krampo na who say yes
nti ya unsoro
oh what they say ya no ma ye baako
ati say be mu de omuti na nante ni ade
eno aye ebi wo ha na ye bayi no pese odi bone na odi ne ti konante odi bibi gu na ni so abi wo ha onim obi say bayi o me fie nko na ha da bi o wona ma bonten society no environment it can affect your life babia e ka say bayi a obia ewubi but obi bebre and realize your money
obia wo bayi
exactly
in one way or the other
nia oni beka say ne de won low to the sense of better on some die
obia oda on so die wo bayi
o na say na ne de no
ne de ne wo fem kra
obi o on spiritually but the obeda obi hu bia bebam onye say bia otu hu so tu but obeda osom die obi hu bia na bam hey upia woni ni agro aso didi agro kan ya na bam
okay
there are so you was set people so no ho
ni na forms of bayi
yeah ena conform no so oti ho no ye form of bayi what am I say malam form of bayi
nti Lucifer so no ani bayi
eno aye e say okọ omo tutu kun akọ bruche ndie ya wo be friend sorties happy sorties dey no gbo so so jankese that is the best bob day what am I say lord of no mo hye na ni munya ena bayi bia before betu no ne prior de betu Lucifer na tumi no de tumi
say before be atu
oh yeah omo come anim no ya advance enye omo nim obi omo nim tu anadwo no before betu no prior or de betu no Lucifer kasankasa tumi energy no de abo no mani tumi de tu mama che bibi wo ha enkanka ho ya wo Ghana na ya wo nsamanfre what
for form friends
nsaman anadwo oba occultism ha eye necromancy
nsaman ko for omwewu no
o fe omo e fe no necromancy no is invoking the dead what am I saying but obroni be kan necromancy yehuni se ehuni mfaso se ko frɛ sama no na sama dem ko frɛ na yeden ebia obi wo ho na busuam sika ni ho but nipa bi bedi yie odi yie free ho no obi menye sika bi wo a wasi so obetumi acontact sa nipa no through necromancy sama frɛ no
no
exactly
yeah
onu etumi de ne tumi ma ni breakthrough no bae because ebia no your legend obi pie busuam no ya busuam no style obetumi akire aka obetire busuam na ma omu nyina kɔ omani but your greediness eno na mani pa bibre eno na ba de no ma kese ni ade ehu epiepie na ka Lucifer na kasankasa de aka we me ni me good obi one manante no enime what na say obi one manante dabi me fa na say oni obi wadwuma Lord me pese ye promote me wadwuma ho what na say enti ma me tumi a ebetumi ama na boro nipa no so na ye di nipa na di na wa kwahye wo aye Lucifer na ebe yes ade ye nipa na ye but what am I say? Obi o wa say no ni nua nye ne bone no consume no fashion up no abodua what am I say anytime bia ona mo sa ne wabu Lucifer ne kun no di mo na ti ba bi na wo de adwuma na koma no se wanyama
okay nti Lucifer no one wo ni baby
attract positive and negative
okay
what am I say enti nipa ya adwen no na tumi
ne positive and ne negative and ma
sa no mani nyina eba on say make sex magic nyina
sex magic
sex magic ne say bi mpanifo anim say oba ne be man nam na mo de eye rituals
omo the sex air ritual
yes
how
eye very simple but sex magic no before obey no gira unya obi otewase na nipa no say ohun say na moye because eye adwen no na ede adwuma
okay
na demon na ote metumi aka say oye powerful Asmodeus and as Lilith Christopher can say she's the in Christian methodology no omo can say Adam's first wife
Eve
yeah Adam no not Eve when your Bible be Bible Concordat Bible Amplified Bible Dictionary and your different Bibles ukoma your Adam's first wife near friend of Lilith
Adam ya enemy
yeah
the first wife and Eve
yeah
your friend of Lilith
yeah according to the Christian methodology not feminine the moon goddess the same as Hecate the moon goddess enti oba bia bu ni sa ne link to bosome no
okay okay every month
yes oba bia connected to bosome no naturally enti na ema oba sabi ode na se ebo dua dangerous ni nyina ye sex magic no eno na di gayism lesbian masturbation eba
nti gay ni lesbian ni master enye kwa
asofo no ko preach no bebre esan ye gayism one na asofo keto hye na se eda okofo
and ono so na kwan no ono so na kwan se okoye part no de de ma no the more na we na ni pe ba wo I see
yeah na ni pe ba wo
ni na ka sex magic
nti sofo bi obi ka se sofo we de owo bi dani den no fiska man no o ba no ha enu sika nti ni nyina ka sex magic asofo no omo ye sex magic gayism lesbianism and nkrofo bebre wo ye sofo we masturbator exactly attitude kra ne betumi aba so ni bi okay and Roman sisters ni omo asofo no bebre omo ye masturbators and e bi so yeah
nti masturbation and that hopper enya kwase wo be sorry na ho aba na wa fa bibi say
dabi na obi a oya onim no realize say tumi bi we na me ne ye obi wo ho a they are masturbators a possession spirit na manipulating no onim eno no sa no cry tumi dane no ma wo be mu spirit no ne kasa na eboa wo
I see
but what am I say you can say occult money say bi nya say baduane occult na obi ma osika luminati for kra no your omo great rituals omo ye na so that you meet big men big peoples businessmen but what am I say aduma bia obaye be koso a wo se wo so hia odwonku bia wo so wo aduma bia betumi ayi den aboa na wo betumi hia nipa ba ko say nipa no betumi asesa wa brabo
just say bibia nda ho kwa
exactly every day bia nanti abontin ye hia millions opportunities but ye nim nti ye sound
opportunities ni na ye
yes before bibi be si no esi huhuma sa na be si physical
una nti kra na wo poli a bibi na bechi
yes and no ye sign of communication and no yes anti sex magic ni de ewo ho pa
omo de nya sika
yeah
eni niama
normal say normal cost yes
nti woni obi a mo ye sex magic no na mo betum pon
yes okay no say me fan say wawale ana e bia no yire be ye and ehia say wawale nko a enti na sometimes bi mo so one gay partner etumi ye What am I saying? Obi so oni get or a masturbator or with me masturbation people dey who are bit me masturbation. Because me my wale pastor me masturbator because of Asmodeus na me benante ye no.
Only Asmodeus benante. Nti na o masturbate.
Yeah. What you say? It's part and I don't know. Untumi ka say onye. Obi tumi kwa say me kwa so dem ma ya bomba ya mame but oba afina no be ye ne kase. What you say?
Hey.
Afina no be ye ne kase.
Sir.
Yes. Yen tutu homom enfiri paduam because homom no ti mu dada. Ye nipa home eye tumi e na home ko mu. Body ni say eye notie belia. Ya adwe no lenke.
Ntia yeti ha say obia wo honhom.
Exactly. Yes. Obia but it depended on guardian demon, I say guardian spirit. Say are you stronger no matter what they will do about you, won't go be about to be developed.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Your uncle will so they have strong protection. On call so for bia ho, on call malam bia ho, on call be. Now so body omu san mayade.
Fine.
Asofo no. Omu san mayade like abura no. No mo de wo ato ase. Say wo no dem on na wo no adi agro nsu no figu mu no. Nipa obeji sensu no akọ no ma na spread it.
Asofo no ma yare.
Che yade. Say wo che yade no gum na mo de ba.
No akasa sayare no. Na wa gisika.
Awo ho. Ye obi a enye fake. Eye rare. Na ye wo mo so mo sheda hyehyɛ. What you say okọ pe obi o ye tinker. Omo a manom we na ye asa uhu na asa obi wu. Na wo na ko de no wa train no a kire no de obi nyina no de ye format.
Okay.
But ye wo healing. Yeah. To and omo nso no omo ye akesefo pa me obu tini pani din kura ha beka se no we de obo a.
Bu obetumi abobi a chere me.
Oh, mesro.
Untu membo.
Yeah.
Omo ye mpanyinfo ewo.
Yeah.
Society.
Yeah. And the mechanic say I won't say age. If you are coming, respect the elders. Okay. Because okotono me no na me me fra hom. Konfo bia na odwane okot. But wo be hye mu no be to obi. What I say but e won tumi ana ikuta wo dadenti na amani pa no abetra. What am I say? Oh yeah, mpanifo. What am I say? But and say nipa no because of the bintina or the na no nyina dwuma because dwuma na o yeri nyina ye media. Oh yeah, the brand.
Yen kasanfa blood sacrifice.
Blood sacrifice.
Moya blood sacrifice.
Oh, me I do animal sacrifice.
Animal.
Yeah.
Okumwa.
Yeah. To say aponchin, okra tuntum, akoko.
Okay.
What am I say? A blood.
I don't know Lucifer pay. So bisawa.
Oh, Lucifer there. On omje.
On jimoja.
On jimoja.
On pemoja kra.
Your demon, lesser demons no. Omo de one moment nantia. O sacrifice man. You offer something in return of the service.
Okay. Ebi mutu me bisa nipa.
Oh yeah, depending on what you need. Ena nipa no so nyese nipa no kokuno. Your ritual bi o ha, nipa no be ye no nim say later na the normal bebre brand. No for quite dangerous rituals. Enti na me obi ba me ha, ritual bi o ha me nyema.
Okay.
What am I say? Ritual bi o ha me nyema oda. And I say me ma o kan say nkra me ma onye.
Okay.
Because rituals bi o ha obeye no obi ekuta e wo transport business say or the car e kwan so or cars be bregu kwan so na o ba kwaji tumi afri baabi na car na ko nya accident na nipa bu na moja sacrifice.
Sir.
Oh yes. Obi wo company bi one day won say na bibia si wo titu kra na o mo ye timber e be ka say timber de o ko nwura be betumi abu okun
Ni na sacrifice.
We can say common, but not common.
Bit to na office jatom.
Office more there. And said that common sir. E can omo yet sacrifice now. And your office outside. Because on pay office the people don't send a wall.
A penny pardon.
Yes.
I see.
And on Chese can be kum obi. na ya beche no
Obey to say
accident of course so ade no astra a happen na nipa wu eno no na enti na da bia me kasa fa se nipa wo bamba saa de no kra onko ka ho onko ka onko ship on ship yeah
so we are animal sacrifice.
Yeah, me animal sacrifice
For lesser gods.
For the lesser gods. Like Belial, or a great god. Until you know, even under Belial, no, okuta 200 legends. Like as a legends, I don't say your fire service, your navy army. Ebi ebeka, you find navy from kono okuta 2,000 members. And I say, as officials. Oba Belial, kono okuta 200 legends. Legends bakubia okuta 6,000 demon. Enti multiply 6,000 by 200 be hu belly anko demon okuta asmodi also mebo ni din we madam for pa no
asmodi dey madam we are down for pa
me penance pa because demon of last
hey we are demon of last it will penance ti mo bon komo ni
you din komo pa o cheche no ma be pray and I will send body power in life or born power in life. So when you obi tomorrow obi crawl house every week we am call ashawo life back. And I say yes, what sacrifice man. But I'm go come nipa wa call ashawo life back na mo makoda.
The more I will have it sex.
Yes. Now sacrifice man. So you are promoting last. Obi crawl to me say okay me koto condom a chama manfo. Exactly. Yes.
Sacrifice. I see.
You go condom yede.
Edia.
Ene obehwe na mema ahye ma kaba. Ni na ye duma. Mark of the beast na ba. Nipa be panyo mo de.
Sir.
Oh seriously. Nkofo be bre nya mo. Omo use Android phone no. Play Store. That is the city of Lucifer.
Play Store. Try me 100. You have a transfer. Play Store.
Me wi a match ni na. Me chere wa na match symbol no e da be kom. Ba me person me.
E da wo kom sisi a. Oh, ma me share. Fetch him.
Fa de ne chere no.
Triangle no.
No, wait.
Circle no.
Me can say triangle.
Triangle na dey be was. Back on so ye.
Lucifer.
Mpacho me metwa na me dey share your viewers.
Okay. Me twa me dey kwa metumi aji. Na me ni.
Na ye hu.
Belial ne dey ni.
Belial na wo kasa wo demons be brave no.
Yeah, ne dey dey.
Any silver one.
We
crowd.
They put am no.
Okay. The symbol no.
And Lucifer so dey ni.
I see.
And we know the original name of Lucifer.
And only day.
Tetragrammaton, Adonai, Shamhem Forash. Shamhem Forash. Hail Satan, hail Lucifer. Agios Lucifer. Who praise the dean. In nomine Dei Satanae Luciferi Excelsi. Exactly.
Into Mark of the Beast na ba. Yanka Play Store no me.
Mark of the Beast no wunya. Maka say wunya e ma woko ani. What am I say? Oh yeah. E ma woko ani.
To be
me checha no kwa.
Wo che Mark of the Beast.
Me chema amafo bubre kwa.
To yete obi ba se wo pe Mark of the Beast. Obetumi dia.
Obetumi dia ma no.
Saying wo be tattoo on ho ana. So be ni de.
E simple keke. Rituals na mache no konkonkoye free
no winya
yeah
I see.
And now they are followers of Satan. They are not leaders of Satan.
Okay.
Become leader for Satan.
We are leader.
Satan say Lucifer. We are follower. Mark of the beast no cramp be told that.
Okay.
What am I say?
Who dey chi
keke. But we be use your normal. Ntade ene your normal bebre. Obetumi odi usika krabisa kwakoto. What am I say? Praise to your making. I saw for call Bible. Or call no put a tablet. Or see Bible na dey. no akobie okenkan what am I say enti e ma say no kura no unya ekotwe bibi wo na say wo ba ye satanism wa omu nyina kan ye wo Google Chrome e 3 colors M say green
red yellow green
666
Google Chrome yeah ye
me dey aye 666
say software near 666 and
a symbol for 666
Chrome symbol na
yeah say obi a di bibi ba bonten a o de ohwe particular ade bi a wo tumi the particular ade bi a wo tumi on say use Lucifer you know say triangle triangle so obe fresh spirit bi a no you need triangle
say mo ye muniama na
enti na free mercy ye ni omo ye ni see ana mu ni sa symbol no all sin ai see ana hu e
ne hu
on say ni da
no ye hwan ni say ni me kan hu pa hwan
you wo be enlighten o be nyankopon ama wo
okay
yeah wo be the beast
I see
yeah
nsem wo wiase
oh yeah
nsem she suma se
on say bia me ka say me ne wote he na say me bo dia wo be bo me bi e ye physical spiritually obi be paw untumi mo no entina me ka say akanipa de hia bibi e betumi aboa wo de wonhu fo ni no betumi aboa wo
bambo se nipa bi anya
bambo ansa na wo be hia bibi kra wo hia
okay
because eno ne ade a bambo e life what am I say say wadwuma a wo de ba asasi so e bia ye de wo ba say be bo wo busia na because of mistake akra wo be yinti na wo free ho abusia wo be bre
na wo beje bambo na say nde wa be ye occult
na occult na ya de bone
enye bone
o enye bone anka sofo no e preach om say me mama ko ro ma wi om akwa akwa what am I say o preach say men ko ye no wi an akwa akwa
enye de bone normal
and the Pentecost for no mo omo nyina Bible no Tito o say ma oba lidi Pentecost oba to be gina nim na o ya sorry oba anya message onya ne bra oh yeah mo Bible no so chiri mi nchiri bibia o ye bra mi nchiri mi nim de nchiri o wiase entime de na do be kan ya be ma me wa ka say wo say bibi but obi wo ho a to mi na ekuta no o chiriwe ma to ma say
into obi a osum bibia no ye man tasks into mo tasks ni
me tasks ni say me bie ni pani
obe chiro mo sunsun mu ni
yes ama ni pankasa bet no ho ase na religion no ye de ba ya ye de keji amanfo no what you want free ate say adwena wo de na to bucket na wakata so okwa no apem adwene de ja no man to nsu no no kase ba bi opibia on de onko
see
but what am I saying enti me pese nipa bi hu se occultism no ana say magic ana say bonsam na omo da bi omo preach against him no said you must kafa na nya sanoti Dabi when you read the Bible omo sacrifice no ma be kunkum nipa de we o say papa panimu no ko ka asem a okọ na nkola ketekete Bible say nkola ketekete omu ni mbone na papa panimu akola afro people na ohuru no tipa afro mi hwe tipa afro na papa no to me command this is sire e ma ni be free enyu be che nkora no se o eno de ehu ni se bone ni ho
Elisha sem na wo
oh yeah
embra nkola ne sire no na o ma mpetoku be chi
o mo se o mo ye hu ni se bone ni ho e Bible enti de obeka bia ye papa sabi jimie wo bebre
jimie o Bible
exactly ya hwe say Jesus Christ nam na o say e come de no okopa biaba di wo na wo se wo ye nyankopon wo na wo bo nsuo wo na wo to awia ana mebo a enti se abiaba na si wo no se betumi aso a e ye de wo de wo de ba ma na betumi den aso what am I say na abiaba no want to me wa moa no na wo saka ese no se o se eni nyansa na wonim se okotena okoye fast na oba okotena wo no o say bonsambe so no hwe se wo no Nyankopon ada na ebo ya bodu and this time na no nye fast na come dey no ade na one da
na ebo na bodu
ana say biaba na abiaba no anso wo wa on say adwin mu no enti nipa bia no me busa me pani ba kon ya fra no iga kala
o nipa ana
o nipa ono nipa yeah na omo no omo so start alongside busa me say nipa person ye tumi wasasi so a kan person be fa so ye tumi or see the greatest power on this earth is your mind. The greatest power on this earth. Oni obi betra TV so ka se bra mema ho sika na wa adwen na je na da na wako na wako dupu down. But adwen wo ho a obi say nipa no kwan best na a month me nya dwuma o bank na wo say sika beba me nya 1 million a month. Kwan best so what am I say? Adwen no be kire say spiritually you can enya no kore e na adwen ye wo mental robbery say obi call rob obi
okay
but on fast can ma o de na adwen area
okay
eno na ama se bia dikanfo no bi na omuhu bibi kakra bi ohu ba onya bambo na se wo bonu bi enya no o ji usika wo bonu bi onya no na o de na adwen na o ji amanfo sika na o ji o se bra minyi sika ma for 100 million bra because o say ani bre boni ntin so na nipa nkasa what am I saying?
So you know what born who buy?
Oh yes.
Into
me
nuamo.
Me nuamo. Se wo pese wo so mesum ni bia me ka che o say yes be ka no. Konfo no always ka o de be ma obi ama na bia. On fa ma ni na busuafo. Oni abusuafo ofie. Obi ewiase obi apese o no benya sika. E chen obi a. O se bra benya sika chen. On ko India e on krofo bi we from Agoris. Omo ye omo a omo ne bodam obi wa bodam different they feed themselves no mu di aye obi e wawu the dead body no mu di
omo di dead body
in India ba obi omo gu ba bi a dangerous place or nipa anshada anko ho sa ko to omo kra they are the most powerful people
but
oh me ko hoda
ba we ko
oh me say me hia bibi from ho
okay
what am I say me hia bibi from ho say me ko hoda na say na me ko petumi tumi nso de omo de a channel
o de na okay
omo ko omo pastors won na eko
asofo no
yeah omo na ono obepe de odi be da nipa akomando omo anya followers ma to ma say na uko
Guinea Bissau Guinea
uko to spiritualist kra na ko hu na ahwe kra be ka say ben odam kra be hu say but in Ghana obi e because we spiritualist malam you can right
what the mansion
adwin no ordinary wi amanfo obehu se ni akasa kwa we di otumi fiscal o bibi otumi maniska oboa
what that
musika na o de ban no de dakaru aka mo obi betra akasa minim dia beka obi obeka dia kasa meka no sabi obi a na adwin mu da ho etemase but dia meka no otiase exactly because se wo tumi dia adwuma be na wo ye a won so be bo
tindada na no no
yes
okay ato inti se nya waka na mati bibia se religion na kasa no eye ndada kwan bi so a ehye nipa adwen so so omun to me and explore yes and no religion sana religion
yeah sana religion tie nti e man nipa bibre ehu so ote ho na China ebido factories no and if asofo asore nkese yesi wo Ghana obi eye asofo no si asole kese be 3 a wafa nipa na asofo kete be bia 2030 nko a but what must say but me bo omo weska Ghana kese omo bie company ba cross me fa nipa 1000 2500 what must say but ene omo we say asore business
asore business
business
no crabby because when you say okoje loan or bank and be see that within 3 years obeti obenya ni sika
within 3 years put they say the doors 1 year and the Pentecost for the you saw BBC BBC ya bahari BBC aso na free ya dia chemu munkom aso tutu so do ties na omutua
the Pentecost there.
Oh ade omutu me ka say be ba for the ti akoma ya be nipa o be ba for the ti nipa akoma oh ya be ba for the ti akoma o te ho na o ye the time so wa kodi upa akonya kakra na kesa wo de to ho u save na be business o ko bo afode ama nyankopon bi ama na be boa wo enti wo be bo for the na still problem me wutim what ton mo sa save every month bi an ko yi 3 million bi ama asole because month ye ton no ma 3000 sa 300 no obetumi dia start bi
so now they are covered. No, so for need.
Yeah, because we Lucifer free one and this and that na your angels. Angels obi to me no mo nante. Obi to me angels nante. O de he o de o pe bambo krampu na so ken the white keke anadu ye wo krada. So ken the white tana ho.
Can normal candle
white tana ho ka se asase a menam wo so ewiem ani wiemo tumfo munni machi mo mo ban de nipa da se ni badwia fa me bia mam tana ho na quiet your mind na focus o
as a woman meditate
yes yeah he obi di wo ko ba bi kra eni
eno ano no
yes aduma bi obe bia e be cause because obi unya attack bia
no yes ana ahohom no
so you are drawing them near to you, close to you.
So mo beba on.
They will come and they will protect you. Oh, far be say one day bi na wakoto e mo na akohwe agu ba bi. Okay. For junction okoto sua bi na de akoto.
Eno ne office bi a.
Keten. What am I saying?
See. Hey, enuanom. Enuama wo ho.
Ah, enuama de wo ho.
Inti umpe Christopher asemba menye reference if Christopher GD say omu a omu kwa heaven
we born sam na nkasa hey a proud member of hell
kwa hell
say unim say bi chewa de go say Holy Ghost fire e ma wunya hoden anameboa when the Holy Ghost fire is in you it makes you strong is that what they are saying meboa enti me so bon sam dem na o kan no eno ne Beelzebub element of Satan the fire spirit. And when it is in me, it makes me strong.
Okay, it is a matter say nya story ayenim ne say hell there wo kwa eternal suffering. Oh shit. Oh Derek, it's a come the wo nya nsuo.
Oh, ni nyina ne say want to asasi so wan nya honhom bia on
but one kasa no wo yeja.
Yeah.
It is a wo koja mo a enhye.
Na eja to eja hye eja. What am I say? And on Leviathan, the monster of the sea, the ocean monster. Leviathan. I'm gonna say mama water, papa water, marine spirit. What's the matter?
So no ko hell who could did
oh.
Chilling papa. Hell yeah there.
As I did you only hell like a papa no more.
Pap.
I need you because you have right to do whatever you want. To be there the UPBR. Dia upebia we
hell
yeah
moon suffer
yeah pani a ote ano meka say on na je di pan free the same abadon sometimes you friend Apollyon Apollyon the destruction angel of God angel of death angel of death
on no je ni pan
kwa nipa bi o be fan in sem ansa na wo na okọ so akọ hye ni sem yana yewo underworld no yewo the queen of the underworld
I know man
yewo the almost all what am I saying
okay
but because of some maybe obi nyana betumi do omudi ade
okay
do mo ma no ho kwan na betumi abo omudi but what am I saying if you nipa wawu apro no nipa dia na apro no saa ayi no body na apro afra no tie your spirit will be take you over and your 50 name of Marduk
okay
Marduk no ye spirit war planet bia so
planet bia spirit bi was
yes asase su to me there na also enti de ka asase ye bonsam dia bonsam we yes Lucifer dia asase belongs to Lucifer the earth
enti nyame wo mu nyina Lucifer dia
yeah enti na after all demons no we Satan Lucifer Efriwa Belia at the wall. Belia is the strongest demon.
I see.
Yeah, Belia no assassin.
More sorry.
Ah, yeah, no, sorry, I am papa. They are rituals.
One can say sorry, what?
Yeah.
Defense.
Africa Luciferian Church of Satan.
Africa
Luciferian Church of Satan.
Okay.
Away. Oh, Kumasi.
What's already Kumasi?
Yeah.
Into one take Accra.
David.
Oh, okay.
Offer me Kranami was Sakopon.
Sakopon,
yeah.
Oh, I see.
The NY by a far cow, Bogos once here.
Now, where to you are?
Oh, yeah, no members the brewer. And Krakrana.
Mufi Haba Kumasi.
Yeah. No members were.
I see.
Members be brewer. I Krakrana, no members bar.
Oh, majority members, no more.
Tamania cry.
Tema.
Yeah. Tama allergy or hemia.
Allergy.
The great allergy. Or hemia. And echo.
I'm gonna members.
Yeah. And aqua we saw printing press wall. Amoako. Me person maybe body.
Inti so people so oba sorry anymore then
I say yeah no oba obi to me ba no ko because rituals here no
on to be taki.
yes you come dipa what am I say but da bia wo no be ritual
every day
as a beginner no say the be ya wo be ba be nya 2 minutes tentem no da bia be na bi mu ba akwadworo anadwo na wo be frɛ na wada what am I say o kofo bi o wa because of the mu ye nti me ma allergic on na hwetem but for now no ma yi na feel because one or two things me hia obi a o kan okore
okay
obi oni mi tina me fa ma asem nsie o obi oni mi ni what am I say enti ya de woni ye soma on som honhom bia o som wa nkasa wo
okay
enti na wo ba na mama wo honhom a ebe ba be tana wo mu so that the more na wo worship wo no na o mani to me na akosoro
o ma honhom ni betina
nipa ni mu
member ni mu
yeah the more na nipa na worship no ho na ni to me no ye de akosoro okay yeah ana obi so ba me hwe na ho de atini mu enye nipa ni na betumi di amon by force asa ana say bia bi o ha je o ma no eye no ma bia ma ne ono akasa be bi o de ni so ansa na wonya bibi sa but what am I saying
hey Inyano, at this point, before I ask him my final questions, please, guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you have brands or products that you want to promote, I'm going to put a number in the description box so you can contact us for brand promotions and advertisements. Please subscribe. This is very educative. This has been so informative. He has said so many things that some of us didn't know. Things we didn't even know existed. Guys, it's my final questions. So obi be your member area obi to me nya no ho to say one ga say we nya wo ho
oh say me nya me ho
unya
me ehia me kan sa
ehia o
na me nya me ho be pray say e ka say obi anya no ho a what am I say
o nya no ho na che say we drew ho no
say wo hia bibi o ewiase bi
oh okay
de wo pe bia wo nya yi
okay
but what am I say
ba wo nya nwe uguso
yeah physically no you will normally be a process with time what am I saying I can say obi to me ne de no to me ko ye 10
okay
na aba e bia 1 year 1 month what am I saying we this short time no wa free
okay
I was so kotoa na juma oh underweight oh yeah
ana kotoa so
yeah ana juma no so a omode a hye nsa no eso juma kase pa what you say and every great work goes with great much effort
to born home
yeah no born home any men Canada omo nim ne pa nim say be born home pa
okay na say wo ti say wenya onni ma honhom ni say na e bon say bi mu o mu wure mu a o mu san film obetu ni baby a wedru obetu
no obi o ha no perfume me hwa crofo bebre na o ka se beduane okot otumi bo bon crofo bi din we na me obo tabi o apam o ya apam
okay we apam I want to me break it tell for life
before na obey apam no agreement wa kokọ awie de obeka no na wo no they are Asian gods wo nipa no ebi obibi wo kra wo nim gire me am be intermediate ama wo spirit no na be nim de beto ebi si as ebi si of life what am I saying enti wo no wo be gina ho na wo de epo de wo ye kra nya yi enti na gofo bebre koji adro from Benin because be koji say oba na obenya sika na wajai
Benin
ana obi tukun ko jibi Guinea but Guinea for very powerful people more than Benin for their azanfo kwa na wo
sir
yeah obi hwa me obi akọ Benin nipa ebia akọ Benin they see nothing
last week na trending obi ase wo be ko Benin
fake thing say obi aka sent Nigeria phones be smart o ma ba ho
Nigeria for nugu Benin o pai o mo be hia o mo be ji usika
dabi nyese o be korobu bla me so me comfort wakosi ni dan o bla Ghana for say o ba be tu fie na wa toto ties o hu se car kesi ya ba ani e chira ya so me di what about here oko etimi kwaji obi 350 million o ba no be tra na osu ya na e mesere oh yes
it's Guinea for no no me correct powerful
yeah powerful and Mali
for social
yeah
Mali. See okay nti apam no there's no way I will be to me break
I confirm na wo kra ko ya dia o say me ko free what man say obi wo kwa ye de ne kra na ye ma no na o kra na ya je e she ba bi and there is no amount of prayer that can deliver you and the catch prayer no dey den me start ejo me nim so dey ka say ma bomb pa ya ma no ho anhye no da ade e ha me ne dede na ya na e maso
by body dede kwa
no eno nkwa
omo ye
dede hu eno nkwa oh yeah dede hu nkramofo de omo ye ritual ntie ya na nkramofo no because even the almost symbol the normal your book bi na fa pecatris
nkramofo ne ritual
almost ye ritual ntomo de ritual nse we Arab countries from West Kapa ana krani sa krani ka so ye business we no ana oye
ti kremafo no omunim
yeah
omunim
light no
I see Christopher no na chese
nse nwura bebregu odo se nwura gu nkramofo so nwura bebre me ka sa me mpe obi oye follower because follower on tell the bekasi me pe panifo na omunim de meka and nipa no so because of the followers on bekasa oboa
okay
na onim se o ka say oh any Asmodeus mo oko Islam or atheist spirit sorry or atheist spirits Asmodeus oko Islam or atheist spirits honhoma or dey your mother name asase what am I saying and he's the great demon the great god yo nyakopon bi wo nyame bi mi wo ho a ohima nyese me na what say meka ubenya opportunity kra ni na hia one one esa wa brabo oh yes esa wa brabo you demons bi o ubenya opportunity ni na hia one on one esa wa brabo now entina but only trust demons. They will never fail you. They will never fail you.
Okay.
Because all those say nipa de ahotro but me nka say bibia seal my life ama ade we. Me nyesi kan fanye.
We okay.
Before now ade the assembly crowd be na sika na aye ready down. Oh yes.
The demons are very reliable.
Yes. But what am I saying? Now, obe preach you are we are the sources of income. Members congregation is sources of income. Or can't you quite say coffre angels need your weather coffre. Demons are angels so.
Demons are angels. Yeah. I see. Inti obi wo honoma se se na wo kan say obebo na bra bo a ohun sa nim de ewe. Omo no and then
owu
yeah she ensi ne body ne da hwa
say we say unya nim dia kan tete ye papa mo no mo ano na to me de mrofon de nchene be good then that no say nchene onu say good for so also
no ni
and I mean anya de na mo kan history na nya no kre enlightenment nipa no say bi we bia not akura si ba bia say de make say me free o ma akuru o feel comfortable o ya class boss what ma say o mo say so na o post to bibia o bi na ni no na o sai adi watem oh yeah o kan asempa pa che no say diwa o mo na
o mo nte hwe ase o mo nim bibia
o mo ni me ka say obi ti krom akra ha no so na ni afira e ka say ni ti anya obi a o ti krom nko na but what ma say obi ti akura but na ni atesen obi o enlightenment wono obi a atade bi abasokro na hu ya obeto bi ahye ba hu na ye ofa na beto bi ahye enti life na ade bi wo na wo pa e na so ye de desires.
Okay.
Nipa no desire for that. But obehu so yakopon na fe na e kai no e se unya ka dem. E se unya be papa tana. E se unya bibi e bebo. What ma say? Enti na demon no so or direct. Okay, wo no na mo no. Wo ebia wo ye joker, wo the fa joking now ye short video bi ko go Facebook aka nipa be download be what I say. Within program you bit me invite no akoji bibi kakra. What ma say? Enti ani nyina aye demon no ene timi kire nipa adwen
anya ma we nkitinkiti ni na
aye knowledge o ana before no so obeba obi wo ha ya onya edinda ya okrofo bi wo ha ba nto ma we good
okay
obi obe promote no kwaya
ayas
obi so wo ha he o sebi obon ma
na jibe bia na demons na
yeah oh yeah eno de obi antumi kan tell say there is no smoke without fire. But that's my say. There is no smoke without fire.
Ti bibia ansikwa.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Bibia ansikwa.
Yeah.
Okay. Nti
obi wo kura oba o start and guardian angels ne bebo no sa obi ni no obi aso start na ko ba bi.
No I say.
Yeah. Obi o ha ensei or bredi no. Ensei no be say ne se bi ba bi e be ko no ya short no life no. Nyanka ono nkra to aso ko na nka kaka san ko be kwa atara ho aja se but what question enti na me pese medwan ne okobi a me kasa me de bi ko ba go the moment I ba me ho me mra na obe de we di so demon me na me ne o ya pa na apam no me ya to my benefit say be spiritually me come ani not this word enti wo no de me na o de aba spiritually de o de o ye ni bia no me wo percentage o ritual
okay okay into what percentage I remember be ritual
a promote ni pa no so e mo no gasa e be hu say yes ono so the more na o explore no na okonani say bia no ma no ton kra e be ko ni no so e nya more
now so advancing spiritually I see
I am a spiritual growth more than spiritual physical yeah because so spiritually no okọ wani ma no ma bebre etina me bo agoris no ma bebre ho a wo be fa no se bi wo be fa no se adehunu
inanum and then you see am ma bebre ka say betina hanum na ya chichemu a wan sha next year na so tia because me who say Adonai or ndi yasa wo bebre ka
me Lucifer
we Lucifer
ti e ba say yem bie ni panima ohun so Yakobon de a ene
we Lucifer kasa from sam na kasa eno ane wo a wo ti hai I see guys we would give him
when you speak when you talk about things people don't understand they think that you are crazy ade ba kon minim no o kasa fa ade ni panti asia kwa wo kan kwasi asia but nipa te wase a they understand what we are saying so they know exactly what you are coming from
okay well it's been very enlightening guys we'll definitely schedule another slot for him to come and share what he has. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We'll Facebook page no just in case obi person or contact you.
All right Adonai Ralengwan Adonai Ralengwan
or Facebook.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me page ni Ghana Africa Luciferian Church of Satan. Africa Luciferian Church of Satan. Okay. Africa Luciferian Church of Satan. Na my into blacket occult enlightenment.
Okay. Okay. Now we'll be person joining another do all my friend.
Okay, my fan to Jack. 0245 61 63 98 0245 61 63 98 and about consul 0246 74 04 19
okay
0246 74 04 19
okay
my number is
okay. Do you guys some more questions be a mon drop pay comment box down there anymore. Now the next time I'll be about on set now. You may be sending more questions now. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Visit our socials, and for the Android, Mrs. I'll come if you have Android. But Android users know. Play Store.
Remember, I'm because atade to ababa paton design na ya no e chere bibi what ma say what me tire ka say bonsa fa akwanu asa bebre ye na dwuma obi a won preachi oni pastor o preachi man but o followers more than e go for mu gu aso dem wo che mu mi e be 100 a e mu be quarter
e na o mu nim
omo bebre na ya le dia enti ade bi o ha mema na nya ohu enti na me pese me party say spiritualism no enya ade ehu ema obi meka me bi huhuna enfa bi meto se de be obedi wo so but what am say ti ase say nipa bi ahia huhumu bambo ena wo hia say spiritualism so obenya bibi a betumi abie wani third eye yes but what am say enti ema bibi nya wo obi ku beka say na menya conform menya mala menya sofo ani de me ehia ehunya pa
so be a
yes.
Okay guys, call Google Play Store now download the GHBase app now. Why? iOS version ever very soon. Call your website at www.ghbase.com. Now turn it on with post notification because your contents be brave. Your amount to turn it on now. Whenever we post anything, you'll be alerted and just come straight to our page and enjoy whatever we have for you guys. This has been really enlightening. I'll hit you soon with base highlights, so stay tuned, guys. And then that's wapa. That's it. That's it. And so be my friend. What about you? Okay.
Send me your boy. I'm a new party.
Okay. And you'll be moving very soon. All right. Thank you, guys.